Enabling contactless payments on your Curve card is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to set it up quickly. Step 1. Download the Curve app. Start by downloading the Curve app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and create an account if you don't already have one. Step 2. Link your cards. After logging in, link your existing debit and credit cards to your Curve account. Follow the prompts to add your cards by entering the card details and verifying them as required. Step 3. Enable contactless payment. In the app, navigate to the settings menu. Look for the option to enable contactless payments. Toggle the switch to activate this feature for your Curve card. Step 4. Set your default card. Choose a default card for your Curve payments. This will be the card that is charged when you make a contactless payment. You can change this at any time within the app. Step 5. Test your contactless payment. Once everything is set up, try making a small purchase at a contactless payment terminal. Hold your Curve card near the terminal to confirm that the contactless payment is working properly. Now you are ready to enjoy the convenience of contactless payments with your Curve card.